It's gonna be a hot one. The heat bugs are in the trees. I call them heat bugs because I don't know what they're called, but they're making that horrible sound. And it's early today. Early in the morning. They started doing that at 9 o'clock this morning. It's like about 9:30. Why am I outside at 9:30 in the morning? It's getting hot again. I'll tell you why. The wife's Saab battery is dead. Dead as a doornail. Let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, it's lucky I fixed the air conditioning in the Grand Caravan. It's gonna be 93 today. And they say like, well, this is normal, but it's been a very hot summer so far. So, fix the air conditioning. Now the battery's dead in this. Yeah, when we open the hood, battery is underneath this cover here. I'm going to take that off. I think the plan of attack could be this. I gotta be thinking, why is the battery dead? She was driving it around, she got home, battery's dead. So it could be the battery is shot. I don't know, it's a couple years old. They don't last too long nowadays. All these batteries that you get at the box stores, they're like garbage, junk. I had a neighbor yesterday, he told me he got a battery for his kid's car at one of the big box stores. They put it in and it still didn't work, and they said, your starter's bad. Well, what it was is that the battery they took off the shelf, can't say the name of the place, but the initials are AZ. The battery they took off the shelf at that place was dead. They sold them a bad battery, brand new off the shelf. So they tried another battery and it worked. Oh my god. But anyway, heat kills batteries. Gotta take the cover off of this, because I figure maybe it could be that. Maybe the alternator is no good and ain't charging the battery. That could be. Or maybe there's something discharging the battery. That could be. So we gotta check it all out. Here we go. Okay, I rolled my roller 2-box off from Harbor Freight on sale for 118 bucks. Put it together, and that's pretty good. It's a little slightly out of square on these, like the hinges here. Not the hinges, but how the drawers come out, you know. But everything else is good. I mean, I like this thing for cheap. Let's check it out. Yeah, I got stuff like gloves here, like I want to operate. I got like these metric star wrenches. Got these things like to take instrument panels out. Got sockets and stuff, and a screwdriver, and metric wrenches. This is all metric. This is all the metric stuff. I even got a metric hammer. Okay, the first thing you gotta do on this silly Saab is give these things like a half turn like that. Or maybe it's a quarter turn. I think it's a quarter turn. Quarter turn. Give them a quarter turn. Let's see. Take this hose off of there. Let's see. Yeah, it's a quarter turn. Then take this off like that. Take the cover off, just like that. Okay, that exposes a superstar battery that doesn't start. This is a fairly big battery. It's the one that's made for it. Oh, got top terminals. You see how the Swedes put the like the nut on an angle. That's pretty cool, huh? Let's see what the voltage is on this thing. So let's see. .64 volts. That's interesting. Well, how come it's dead? Okay, 12.6 volts is what it should be. So let's Shove our key in here. And it's dead. Not only is it dead, but it's doing weird things. Look at those wipers. It won't shut off. Now it's off in the midstream. So let's try it again. See, watch. Got all kind of malfunctions on here because the batteries. See, nothing. And if you watch the indicator here, go to turn it, just dies, just in on position. Alright. So is it just a bad terminal? Weird. Let's check our voltage again. Let's check our voltage again here. Uh-oh. 9.7 volts. I'm going to use two hands, go right to the middle of the terminal there. Yeah, it's the same difference. See, it's coming up. It's coming up, but when I turned the key, it went DOA. Right. I put the key on so the high, hello neighbor. No, I put the key on so that the HID lights would go on. Let's see what our battery says now. That 8 volts, look at that. You know what we got going on here, folks? We got a dead cell on this battery, and that when it's stressed, it just kills the battery. Yeah, I try to crank it again, just goes down to 9 volts. So, yeah, the battery definitely got a shorted cell on it. It's the heat. The heat kills these things. Okay, here's the info. I keep me a little book in the glove compartment, and you know, wife came up with this idea. It's a great idea. Shows everything done on the car, and it got the receipt here from O'Reilly's. And let's see, 12/18/12. So that's 13, 14, 15. Oh, hey, that's 3 years, and that's February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, so it lasted 3 years and 5 months. How do you like them apples? Okay, the warranty says 3 years are free, and after that it's prorated up to 84 months. Okay, so I could get something for the battery, which is better than nothing. So all we got to do is use a 10 millimeter wrench here, fully loosen these bolts up fully, and get the battery out of here. Just I'm going to spread that a little bit right there. Hey, you don't want to pry on this. Just going to spread the terminal a little bit. Let's spread it, and it should come right out. See how easy that is? You can spread this a little bit here. Same thing. Same difference both sides. Okay, how come I can't get that out? Just spread a little bit. Get her out. Yeah, that was a two-hander. Left hand spreads and the right hand wiggles it out. You know, with these surgeon gloves, I'm telling you. See what I'm saying? It's like I'm a surgeon. Kimosabi. There's a bolt down there too. Okay, this should be a 13 millimeter. Yes, it is. Let's get this out here. You know, that's a heavy battery. Okay, time to take a trip to the box store. And time to get inside because I'm melting like Frosty the Snowman. Okay, that rusty bolt, I'm going to spray a little WD-40 on it there. There you go. About a little on here too. And might as well hit that one. That one over there. Carefully put the battery in. Don't drop it. You can use these handles. Put nice handles on for each hand. Tighten your hold down nut. Not so crazy tight where you crack the case. Just tighten it down. Take off the protective caps. The lady at AutoZone, the manager, is pretty nice. She said that the old battery was swollen. That meant something wrong with the alternator. So after we start this puppy up, run around a little bit, we're going to check the alternator and see what it's percolating at. I had these things sitting around from the other box store, so I figured I'll use them. They're nice Christmassy colors. They got the green for the negative, I suppose, and the red for the positive. Slip these puppies on. See me sweating like a pig here because I'm telling you, it's hot out here, man. I'm melting. I'm melting. I'm melting. No, I should say, I'm melting. I'm melting. Oh, what a world! What a world! Now you don't want to hammer on these. What you want to do is just you know, spread the terminal a little bit and push it down with your other hand. I'm out of hands, so I'll shut the camera off. And just use our famous 10 millimeter. Gently tighten these up here. Don't have to kill it. Just nice. Hand tight, that's good. Do this one here. I like wearing gloves. I never used to wear gloves until like last year, or maybe 2 years ago. Gloves really saves your hands. It's good. Okay, I'm going to start it up, see what the heck it does. Here goes the garbage truck, just missed it. Oh, here we go. Let's check and see what voltage we got here. Okay, just dropped the battery in, got about 14.3. We'll try around a little bit, see what the heck it does. Then I will report back. Okay, it's about 90 degrees out. Humidity's kind of high. Let's drive around here. I feel like 5 or 6 miles, see what the heck happens. Let's try those washers here. Look at that. Try them washers. Alright. I don't see the garbage truck no more. You know, when we were kids, we used to say we wanted to be garbage men because it was $50 a week and all you could eat. Can't say that anymore today, though. Yeah, the car is real zippy now with a nice fresh battery. You can tell it has a hotter spark and all that. Yeah, the manager was pretty cool. She gave me, you know, prorated on the battery, so I only had to pay $68 for the new battery. That over there is a strip mall he's tried to build. They stopped in 2007. That was about it for it. Yeah, so like I was saying, a bulgy battery could mean that you're overcharging and building up hydrogen gas. So it's something you don't want to do. It could be a dangerous situation, possibly. So I don't know. So I figure I'd just drive around, then I'm going to go home, check the voltage again, and see what I got. That makes sense, right? Yeah, I want to follow that fire truck, see where the heck it's going. Yeah, I had to wait for the traffic. The guy must be booking pretty good. I don't know where he turned off. I saw him up ahead. Let's see what's going on here. You know what really rots? We got like a grandma up ahead going really slow. Well, that was it. Look in the rear view mirror. The guy just took the fire truck off went to the other station. It was like he had the lights on just to drive to the other station. Oh, I was really hoping to see something burning down. That's a big waste. All right, we're up to 93 degrees. I left it was 90 degrees. All right, I drove it around. Let's see what the voltage is for charging here. 13.6. Sounds pretty good to me. Yeah, so it's good. What she said was overcharged. You know, the battery was swollen like it was overcharged, but that wasn't the case. There's something wrong with these batteries. That's why it was swollen. It's got like a weird seal thing. It's like sealed. I don't know, but it's good. It's right there, 13.59. It's good. Okay, now I'll put the cover on here, button it up. So all you gotta do is you slide the hooks in first, and you just turn these quarter turn, you lock them in, and you just put this hose back, just like that. Done deal. And I'll tell the nice manager at the O'Reilly's that the thing is charging okay. So I don't know what the heck happened to that battery, why it swelled up. You got me. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a great day. Have a good night. God bless. Keep cool. See you next time. Bye.